Despite his friendly looks, he's feared by crooks. Larger than large, my man Sarge is in charge.
He's alright, yeah.
Though surrounded by so much beauty and brains, one fact remains: Sarge is in charge.
Sarge, yeah, he's in charge.
Wait! This what is? Who never see a man washing foot in front of him desk yet? But come to think of it, why would a man leave him yard and carry him base come to work? There must be some simpler ways. Physical man's stomach.
Before you jump to the conclusion, Sarge, let me explain.
You think gets here wasn't at your yard, right?
Just Sarge, not one, sir. You remember that chase we make last night?
You mean if you catch a pickpocket boy them?
Carl, that tell me how you and him run after a chain grabber for about 2 miles. 2 miles, me fool. And a joke distance that, you know.
You run after the guy for 2 miles.
So hold on, you can't take my word for it.
Oh, shim out and create the sad version. Please,
I don't really want to hear how it go.
yes, sir.
It wasn't a chain the boy grabbed, it was a wallet. And I don't think we run him down for more than 20 yards.
Talk for yourself. I rode him down at least 1.5 miles.
For what? You make the boy slip out of your hand, jump off of the bus. By the time we cover the first 50 yards, we could have hardly make out the boy the way most quick. The only reason why me don't go back up to the bus, you know, is because I don't want the people them laugh after me.
You're just being modest, Sarge.
Oh, thank you, dear. Now, back to this basin pan of water.
What's Sarge? You know, some foot blister.
What is that smell? Couple Fletcher, put back on the shoes, please.
Don't face to me, you know.
Relax, Jenny. Is the toilet from morning it won't flush.
Aye, well, somebody better call the plumber and get it fixed fast, you know. And you, sir, put on back your shoes to me, please. Suppose somebody of importance was to walk in here now.
What, Sarge? From now sitting here, so the commissioner make a tour of the station then. Yes, I get jumpy.
I have every right to be jumpy. The appearance of this squad room is going to determine my promotion. No, I don't know about you, you know, but I have no intention for anybody to mash up my future just because it's the spirit take them for them watch them foot early morning.
Sarge,
What is...
you not tired of dream? You think say this is girl guides when them give promotion for neatness?
So what you saying? I can get a promotion? Wait, you think I did join the force as a sergeant?
I hear a thing, Sarge. I don't know how true it is. But I hear that when the commissioner joined the force as a young recruit, you was the sergeant who was in charge of that platoon. Anything can go, sir, though?
I have never met the gentleman. But it's one thing I know. I will never get a second chance to make a first impression.
Look at me. Fancy that. I don't wonder how that wicked rumor they could have started. Hi, Merkel. Pass the toilet for me now.
A hoofer towel in my pint pan. Massa, take your kerchief and dry your toe. And please, get rid of that basin for me now.
Yes? Just a sec. Anybody see a lady with a turban come up here? No. You want a barefoot man instead? Yeah, all right. Now, if we see her, we'll let you know. What that was in it of? Oh, them arrest the Obe woman and it looked like she wandered off somewhere on the premises.
Have his mercy. That's all we need right now. A Obe woman to greet the commissioner as they enter the doorway.
So help me. That noise from that construction site next door is going to drive me mad.
Hi, Jenny, it's not you alone have to endure it, you see? So might as well forget it.
No, but I have to sit down outside there where it's louder. And I mean the dust. If I don't die of consumption, I'll probably be buried alive.
You want to come sit by my desk for a while?
What's the catch?
It's only one chair.
Go on, Sarge.
Have his mercy at the one woman.
Go and all evildoers.
What a place your mad woman from?
She's not mad steady, she's a warner.
Well, I warn her, I know she wait me with a something.
Don't worry yourself steady. It's not going to do nothing to run duppy.
Lady, are you aware that they're looking for you downstairs?
Oh, idolatrous one.
Will somebody please get this woman out of here? That could have been acid!
Out. Out.
Ye worker of iniquity, turn aside from fornication and repent.
Not feeling no way. She knows what she talk about. Aye. Come here. Come quick. Come get this mad woman out here. Because we can't take the confusion. Come out.
All right, lady.
His place is an abomination.
All right, lady.
A curse be upon you and upon this holy station.
Lady.
Repent.
Get around.
Lady, we don't deal with all up here, no.
Repent.
I'll go some man witchcraft fall on the people
Repent.
downstairs, all right? Come, yes, let us repent. Come.
You all seem to find this amusing, but I don't. This place is enough of a madhouse without that woman adding to it.
Jenny, I get the feeling that you believe in that kind of stuff.
I just don't like it, that's all. I mean...
What is it? Hi. Oh no, cut out the ramping in here. Else you're not going to see real over behind her today.
No, but this is supposed to be a police station. A person ought to be able to count upon a minimum amount of protection. I don't say you could just make the woman just walk inside her as if she
Hi, hello. The time of the day I will run up your mouth about the lady, you would go outside and make a telephone call and tell the plumber to hurry up and come fix the toilet. Because if it stays much longer, nobody going to own this place.
But don't even bother to mention that, because if I have to walk all the way downstairs to use the bathroom, I might as well go home for the rest of the day.
How you work out that?
I was not speaking to you, Corporal.
Jenny, please go and make the call.
Sometimes it's as if you have a beggar for do our work.
Don't say that still.
I mean, don't our job is to make telephone call?
Not you go have a girlfriend then. You just a find fault now because she refused to tie up the line and because she refused to make personal calls for you to your dry foot girl then.
How you know them foot dry?
The whole of them foot dry.
Well, last you take a stock of yours.
I broke down the arm. I broke it down. We have important business to look about. Merkel, darling.
Yeah.
I just can't stand the sight of that basin over there, sir. Go carry it round the back for me, no?
That is not fair, you know, Sarge. Corporal Fletcher put it there, him should be the one to move it.
But Merkel, darling, him is not here at the moment. And suppose when him coming back, him should have slide and broke him neck on the stairs. We're going to leave it there until the water in the turn green.
A serious thing. What the hell if the commissioner was to walk inside and see this basin and dirty water prims up on the desk?
So make you no move it, eh? If the commissioner come in, you will just tell him say the roof a leak.
No, Merkel. No rain of fall for 2 months now. What can I do for you, Sue?
There's a lot you can do for me. And yourself. This pretty boy a rapist. What you doing about him? The citizens in the area are complaining and I can't say I blame them. Is something the matter, Sergeant?
No, Sue. As a matter of fact, I mean, yes, Sue. I mean, what I'm really trying to say is this, Sue, is that, I was thinking to myself that with a fellow like that rapist out there, the women of this country cannot sleep in peace.
So what the hell are you doing about him? You think you can catch him by sitting at your desk?
No, Super. I was not basing my strategy on that, Super. I was not basing my strategy on that, Super.
You know what I think? I think you have absolutely no plan whatsoever. You know what I think, man? I think you're hoping for the man to walk through the door and introduce himself to you.
Who, Super? The commissioner?
The rapist, Sergeant, the rapist. My eyes deceiving me, or is Corporal Smith actually reclining on his desk?
Oh, but that's a very good question, Super. You want to know the answer, Super?
Obviously.
Oh, well, and you also want to know how we're going to apprehend that rapist, Soup?
Don't beat around the bush, man.
So, when you ready to take a stop, it's 3 questions you want answer for.
Let's have it, man. Let's have it.
I'm all in good time, so all in good time. As a matter of fact, so you know what I plan to do? Tomorrow morning, first thing, I am going to let you have a written report.
I know you're coming. You're talking about Christmas morning.
Oh, shit. So. I'm not saying what me I talk about. Supposing that was the commissioner.
What you mean for tell us who say you grab report for him in the morning? So far we don't do nothing but to find the safest guy.
Plenty of time between now and tomorrow morning.
Have his mercy. Jenny, no, it look like say the whole woman send a duffy inside here.
Jenny, do go back outside. Miss Sinos can't take the dust.
Hey, don't be so unkind, Merkel. Hey, come here, Jenny, darling. Come, Jenny. Come.
You won't be able to convince Jenny after this and the curse now. Okay.
Merkel, believe kill and believe cure. And right now, I believe that you're going to take out that basin pan of water for me.
Sarge, I don't know why you keep insisting that me must move it.
Dear.
Corporal Fletcher soon come back.
Merkel, you know, from your join the squad, you never refuse to carry out an instruction. I always said to myself, this is one girl you can count on through thick or thin. Comes what may, you can put her under your wings and she will always be there for you. You know, Merkel, a lot of people will fail you in this life.
It is not fear, Sarge. Why me?
For me? Think about your future in the force.
One piece of thing downstairs is a Sarge. The old man called on fire and brimstone upon the premises, and I should have done that. A cloud of dust just cover the yard.
That is limestone from the construction site next door.
You go tell that to the constable them on duty. As far as them is concerned, is the real brimstone. 2 of them gone home na cold sweat to them sick, and the rest refuse to touch her. Where my foot pan?
You wouldn't expect for it to be on the desk all this while we don't put flowers in there. Merkel was kind enough to take it and put it around the back. She's such a willing person. You notice it? The only thing I don't too like about her, she too love creep up behind people to listen what I say about her. Merkel?
That chick they check for you now, sir.
Hi, listen to me now. The superintendent was in here harassing me about that rapist fellow that is terrorizing the whole of St. Andrew. Me can't take the botheration, man. We have to do something about it.
Something? Like what?
Maybe we could have tried catch him. What do you think?
Put it this way. If me was a rapist, she probably could have enticed me. If things are rough with me.
Merkel, come here a second, darling. Now, you did hear how the superintendent was harassing me about the rapist fella.
Right. We have to come up with a plan fast.
Well, I think I have the basic plan, you know, but I'm not too sure how to implement it. A rapist is not an easy thing to catch, you know.
So true. It calls a combination of strong heart and good looks.
So, what do you want me to do?
Merkel, you think you have a strong heart?
You think I have good looks?
It's not what me think that count, Merkel.
It that count for Merkel and Sarge.
Hi, Corporal, you don't have anything to do?
No.
You finished washing your foot?
Yes.
Well, the basin is around the back there. Would you please go and take it and continue to wash the rest of your carcass?
Just tell you what keep it so long, man.
But they are taking look at the action downstairs, man. The Obe woman there, she cast one spell for me. Just because I tell her I must stop me the nights in the place. You want to see me and take me time, come upstairs.
That toilet is out of bounds. So try tiptoe yourself back down the stairs for me, no?
Can't wait.
They look at the current schedule steady.
A long time that you don't want to fix, you know.
Maybe, but you must admit it, choose a funny time for broke down.
Don't chat damn stupid this here, Carl.
This is not a laughing matter, you know. The corporal could have broken spine. Anyway, the man here steady. Come, we have serious police business to discuss.
Sarge, he must be involved.
Aye, we might be talking a major undercover operation, so we're going to need everybody input.
Steady is crucial in this thing as a matter of fact. We have to understand how the mind of a rapist works.
Rapist?
Yes, we have to catch Pretty Boy, and we don't have much time. Now, I said to myself, say, that in order to trap him, we're going to have to use Miracle here.
You see why I never want to know this thing?
Pretty boy would have to be a pretty dumb boy before and adopt the trap, Sarge. I mean, fun and joke aside.
No, so that's it. If we put her in the right outfit.
Yes, and if the night well down.
Sarge, all them things I never put up with when I try to do my job in a Sarge.
Sure. Don't pay them any mind here, Miracle, because if we set up this thing the right and proper way, all rapists going to come running from the grill to Maran Pine.
Yes, I know where we can find a nice mask.
The important thing is to put her at the right place at the right time.
What about the clothes? Might as well talk from. She don't really dress sexy enough for like entice a serious rapist.
It's not the clothes.
Steady. You're going to get serious and cut out this foolishness?
Look, I couldn't be more serious, Sarge. I mean, ask me for my advice as an expert. And in all humility, I must confess, I am an expert. Look, I'm telling you, the clothes is not the problem.
If somebody cares, you know better find sadness.
Relax yourself, Miracle. Relax yourself.
No, understand something. A rapist now look like a girl that dress up in a shorts and plenty makeup. Hey, you check what Pretty Boy victim them did have on.
Not them ordinary clothes.
Exactly. And I bet you some of them never look no better than our friend.
So what you say, expert?
Look, give me a day or two with her, and I will improve our drawing powers. Clothes are no clothes.
What do you mean, clothes are no clothes?
I could have tell you something like that you might come up with.
Look, is that on what me help? I don't.
We need your input as a member of this team. The child will ever want to stay with you for 2 minutes, much less 2 days.
Look, you don't misread me intention. What I was saying is, if you don't allow me to get guidance for a day or two.
Do it right, that's all. No.
Yes.
Alright? Putting myself in the place of the rapist. I don't want to say I walk different. There's nothing that hold a man more than how a woman walk.
True.
Do me a favor, Myrtle. Walk over there so and come back. What is the problem? What? On the blind? Well, that's the problem.
Excuse me, short-sightedness, Mr. Professor. But up to now, I still don't see what that said problem is.
Who would I want to rape a woman that walks?
I see what you mean.
How am I supposed to walk?
You have to walk with a certain amount of swivel.
Swivel?
Yes. You the hips have to move and talk so that the man them looking on can hear what it say.
I'm afraid to ask what them hips saying.
Them saying, take me. Come to me. Take me. Not vulgar. Subtle. You know the same thing? Take me. Oh.
So when woman a walk a street, you hear them hips calling to you. No wonder you're so crabby.
Try it.
Might as cheap.
No, Master. Slow. Take me. Go on. Take me. Come to me. Take me. Come to me. Take
Shouldn't she be walking a little faster?
No, the pace is fine. Go on, Myrtle. Take me. Just think sexy and you will be sexy. Take me. Right. Take me.
Here I am. Come to me. Take me. Here I am. Take me. Yes, Myrtle. Don't stop it, Myrtle. Don't be shy. Let me hear the whispering into your ears. Here I am.
Take me.
Take me.
Come
to me. Yes, Myrtle. Here I am. Take me. Come to me. Here I am. Myrtle, why you stop, man? Come. Don't bother me. Come to me. Here I am. Take me.
Sarge?
Come.
Sarge, I'm coming. Have you met the commissioner?
Come. Take me.
Sergeant, that you are prepared to concede now that there is something to this Obe business.
It's just bad luck and coincidence, Journey. That's all there is to it.
Call it what you will. Is one thing I know. I will not be considered for a promotion for the next 10 years.
Anybody catch where the toilet is?
Well, at long last. Go through this door here and the first door on the right.
No, thank God for small mercies. I didn't know they were going to send it before tomorrow.
Well, now get your rate. When him should know the job past 5 o'clock, him going to turn and charge for overtime.
Overtime? My life is on overtime right now. It is like a clock ticking away. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
Don't worry about it, Sarge. Later we go talk to the super and explain everything.
Tock.
So who went to talk to the commissioner?
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
You're right, yeah, Sarge, your life is ticking away like a clock. Continue. Tick tock.
You get a thrill out of this, see?
You see when this day done, the whole of who inside you're going to believe in that Obe more than me.
The day is almost over, Jenny. Nothing worse can happen.
Don't fret about it, Sarge. Promotion is not hard.
It's not the promotion that I want me, you know. It's my ex-wife.
Sylvie, she still up in your case?
She never come off. That will be a woman downstairs. I wonder how much you would have charged she put a curse on a 3-bedroom house.
Separate living and dining.
Can't fix the bathroom here, boss. Rough we work on a construction site and have nowhere to go. Oh, by the way, it won't fix. It now flush right.
What?